The Beyond Meat burger, which is plant-based, has no soy. I mean, I'm like obsessed with it. I don't think anyone could tell it was plant-based. And it's super quick to cook. Basically, we have this grill over here. I've had this on for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over and it's gonna be done. As you can tell, it's a pretty loaded burger. We have a little bit of lettuce, some cheddar cheese, some tomatoes, some pickles, an array of condiments. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this burger over to the next side, and you're gonna see it's gotten this like little bit of caramelization. Look at that. Look at that sizzle. And then we have this pretzel bun over here, which is also vegan. So while that cooks, we're gonna just start building. We have a little bit of Dijon mustard here. We have some vegan mayo. And of course, ketchup. Do a little swirl around. I like to put the lettuce down first, just to kind of create a base. And then we have this vegan cheese, this cheddar cheese, which is amazing. They also do a Swiss that I love. To be honest, I think the burger is ready. And then what else we got? We have a little tomato. I'm gonna add that on top. Some thinly sliced red onion. Some pickles. Oh my God, I love these. I'm gonna load that on, and then boom, that's it. And I mean, come on.